so pretty.
Wanna go lay down?
Oh.
The power just went out. No. Hey guys, just joking around. But yeah, no, I'm serious about power going out. Power went out last night. Lots happened, and it is cold. Sorry, I had to lock up the door. So, jeez. Already there's a tree branch. Look at that. Golly. Look how big this thing is. I gotta grab these. There you go. You gotta check this. Man. Golly, that huge tree. No, I don't want to focus. Look at this thing. Golly, it goes from there all the way up to there. Look at this. Look at the size of it. That's my hand. Here's my head. And it's still big. Take a quick lap around the house, see if there's anything else. Check it out. There's a giant tree branch right here. It's like a mini tree that just fell over. Golly. Tree didn't fall out way back, way in the backyard this time. Yeah, if you want to see the last tree, it's right there. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay, this thing is almost always empty. Look at that. That thing's filled. It's like a full-on river in here now. Take some cool pictures of that. Alrighty. I'm not gonna question this. I'm not gonna question it. There's never been there before. Seems about it. Yeah. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and